recording?
Yeah.
Are we ready? Ready? Hey, YouTubers, fam, what's going on? Today, got a review. Y'all ready for this? Because I'm excited. Let's go ahead and open this box. Hey. Feel like Christmas again. It always feels like Christmas when I get a new pair of shoes. Oh, I should add that in there. Ooh-wee. Y'all know what this is, and if y'all don't, I'm gonna show you. What's this? Instructions. Don't need that. Are you ready for these shoes? So, just a little backstory on these Flint 13s. Of course, last time they came out was 2010. So they haven't been out in 10 years. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Yeah. All right. So here I have these bad boys, Flint 13s. Just a little story on them. For one, they're called the Flint 13s because of the Flint gray they have here on the upper midsole. And then they have the blue mesh overlay with the 3M, and we'll get the 3M shot later or whatever. And then also has the white leather. Ooh, that leather's so soft on the toe right here. Who doesn't like the Flint 13? It's the OG shoe. And I also never had a chance to own a pair. Now I got a pair. So for me, it's a Jordan thing. You know, if you rock Jordans, you will understand. And I got a couple of 13s in my collection, but this will be my favorite 13 in my collection. None of them have the 3M on here, so this is dope. With the Carolina blue Jumpman. And I don't really have too much to say, you know. I like Jordans, you know. It's not something you do. It's like a lifestyle for me. You know, I've been rocking Jordans since I was a kid. Between my mom, my sisters, my cousin, like we all wear Jordans, we all buy Jordans, we all talk about Jordans. So for me to have this one in my collection, it builds my collection, but then again, it's just something I had to have. And I'm definitely gonna rock this to the fullest. Just gotta find me a little fresh little fit to go with it. But that's it for me, you know. Did my little unboxing with you all. Got my Flint 13s. And we out. Recording now? Oh, my bad. So anyway, this is it for the Flint 13s reveal that I got for y'all today. Stay tuned, I have more content coming soon. Like, subscribe, leave your comments, and we out. Y'all ready? Are you recording? Yes? Alright, boom, bam. Flint 13, OG. Why you recording?
'Cause I'm trying to focus the background.
You're childish. You're childish, girl, I tell you.
Got that on camera.
I want my money back.